Welcome to Sandra and Geronimo's kitchen. Today we're going to review the NINJA Professional Food Processor. It has 4 Auto IQ programs, a capacity of 9 cups and 1000 watts. After you take out all the parts from the box, remove the plastic and the cardboard. Then wash it in soapy water, either the dishwasher or by hand, not including the base. The motor base has suction feet that can stick to most of the surfaces. This is the chopping plate, the dough plate, the reversible disc for slicing and shredding. It includes a quick assembly guide, also a owner guide. Please make sure you read everything before you use it. It also includes a recipe book. It has 20 different recipes in there. This is the bowl. Please secure it clockwise. The blade, the top, make sure you lock it, and then the pusher. Easy assembly. Push the button to unlock the lid. When you want to use the disc, you need the spindle. Install the disc. Put the top on, make sure it locks clockwise. For storing, pull the power cord around the cord wrap and secure it. Auto IQ programs for chop, puree, dough, and disc. Manual for low, high, and pulse. I will demonstrate some of the Auto IQ programs. Make sure you cut the ingredients about 4 to 5 inches long and wide enough so they fit in the chute. Never leave the appliance unattended while in use. Never operate the appliance without lids and caps in place. Do not fill container past the 9-cup line. Do not operate the appliance with an empty container. Do not microwave the container. Do not blend hot liquids. Doing so may result in pressure buildup and steam. Please read and review all instructions for operation and use in the owner's guide. This food processor is really easy to use, very powerful, and simple to clean. You can wash all the removable parts in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. Unplug the motor base before cleaning and wipe it with a clean, damp cloth. This unit features a unique safety system that prevents damage to the motor and drive system should you inadvertently overload the unit. If the unit is overloaded, the motor will be temporarily disabled. Should this occur, follow the reset procedures. Be careful when you use the chopping blade, it is very sharp. Auto IQ program runtimes vary from a few seconds up to a minute. This unit is not intended to crush ice. I hope the review of the NINJA Professional Food Processor with Auto IQ was helpful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.